In this video, we're going to show you how to install spark plugs on your Kia Sorento located on the top side of your engine. With the hood open, go ahead and pull straight up on this cover. You're just dislodging the rubber grommets from the post right here. Go ahead and set that aside. Now on the top here, you have 4 ignition coils and 4 spark plugs. Now our coils are shown right here. We have to go ahead and separate the harnesses from these here. Now right on the top is a gray lock tab. You're going to pinch and pull this back. It's going to allow you to press down and remove this. There's a 10mm bolt holding the ignition coil. Break that free. Loosen that bolt. Go ahead and remove that, but hold on to it. You'll be reusing that later. You want to go ahead and grab the ignition coil, and we're going to gently twist it and pull it up and out like so. Now we're going to use our 16mm spark plug socket, and it's a spark plug socket because it has a rubber grommet inside that will secure that spark plug down inside there. It is. Now you never want to just drop the spark plug down the cylinder because you can bend over the ground strap here and cause a drivability issue. Using your spark plug socket with a rubber grommet in there, it'll hold that, so you can go ahead and lower that down carefully, and then it'll allow you to go ahead and start threading that in. And once that's caught, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to a standard 16mm. That way there, we don't have to worry about pulling the rubber grommet out of the inside of that socket. Let's go ahead and torque down our spark plugs to 11 foot-pounds. Once you get that spark plug done, you want to go ahead and repeat for the other 3. Take your coil, lower it down in a position, and just wiggle that down. Grab that 10mm bolt, line that up, and get that started. In most cases, you can go ahead and run that all the way down by hand. Then we'll go ahead and snug that down gently. Once that bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. You just want to make sure it's snug. Go ahead and grab that connector, line that up, push it on. You're going to hear and feel it connect, and don't forget to push the lock back on. You want to repeat that process for the other 3. Line up the cover with the studs and the rubber grommets, and then push down, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.